1934 to 1963, housed world-famous notorious gangsters, such as Al Capone, Machine Gun Kelly, Robert Strauss, the Birdman, future home of Robert Kelly, the other man. Daily on a barge, and all the wastewater is taken off daily on a barge. Down below, that two-story burnt-down building right there, that's actually the entertainment center. Two-lane bowling alley downstairs, modernized movie theater upstairs. This white building with the trestles on it right next to us, that's called the Sallyport entrance. Now the Sallyport entrance is where all prisoners first step foot on Alcatraz. Even Al Capone made their way up the zigzag path to the main jail cell up top. 310 cells were constructed for those prisoners, although it never reached full capacity. To the left of that, you'll see that lighthouse up there. That's the oldest lighthouse on the west coast with a modernized glass mirror. To the left of that, that burnt down building, that was the warden's quarters. 18 rooms of hide-and-seek pleasure for the warden and his family to get away from people. Down below this big yellow building, that's actually the housing for all the employees, the guards and their families that used to work out here on the island.
Yeah, United States Penitentiary.
They even had a school there from kindergarten to 8th grade. That's where students were educated. Then they had to swim to San Francisco every day. 9th grade, till graduation, they swam to school against the wind, the rain, the current, the snow, the fog, uphill in both directions even. No, I'm kidding. But they did have to take a similar boat to this Alcatraz flyer right here on our side. And they still couldn't get their homework wet. That excuse didn't work. Now, Alcatraz was occupied by Native Americans from the from the late 1960s all the way up until the early 1970s. See a group of Native Americans decided to come and jump off of one of our fishing boats here. They got about this close, swam over to the island and claimed it as their own. Waterfront, where you can see all those lights up close and personal. Almost directly ahead of us, you'll see two towers, kind of low behind those lights. That's the St. Peter and Paul Church right there, those two towers standing up. To the left of it, you'll see that very large, pointy building with the flashing light on top. That's the Transamerica building. To the left of that, you'll see that big shampoo bottle with the lady dancing up on the roof. That's the Salesforce building. To the left of that, the illuminated white light, that is the Quake Tower. Quake Tower is a monument to the firefighters of the 1906 earthquake. Now here on the water's edge, you'll see two of our World War II veterans. That first one is that submarine right there. That's the Pompano, number 383. She's credited that's $6,000 commission. She is in a famous movie called starring Kelsey Grammer and Lucy. And to the left of that, you'll see this large Liberty ship called the Jeremiah O'Brien. The Jeremiah O'Brien is one of two existing Liberty ships to make it out of the Battle of Liberty on VA. She's the only one that has her original steam engine power. So whenever Hollywood needs a movie shoot, we're out there. Now you ladies have seen the inside of that engine room of the famous movie called Titanic. And right, the Titanic engine scene is not right here in San Francisco. On the Jeremiah O'Brien starring Jay, Leonardo, myself, and Mike. Driving the iceberg on the break. Mashed potatoes and gravy, sardines, green beans. That was on the menu. Well, Mike, Some of them made it in the water, some of them made it in the life raft, but they all had a soft landing from what I was told.